Hey, this is Alluri Ramachandra once again in front of you. I think you remember that when the coronavirus entered in the world, say, sometime in March, I have given one tip, that is breathing exercise called Ujjayi Pranayam, by practicing which one can cure or eliminate totally the cold, cough, fever, and throat related problems very well by practicing that particular pranayama, Ujjayi Pranayam. Since the second wave is started, I suggest and request all of you to practice this particular pranayam and be away from the disease. The way of practicing this Ujjayi Pranayam is very simple. Sit in comfortable seat, whether it is Sukhasan, Siddhasan, Padmasan or Vajrasan, or if you are not able to sit on a floor, please sit on chair. There is no problem at all. But ensure that your spinal should always be at 90 degrees angle. By sitting straight, you will have to inhale through both the nostrils, but while inhaling, slightly tighten your neck and squeeze the air through your throat. When we tighten slightly the neck and squeeze the air inside, there will be a light sound just like snoring, like this. Fill up the air, both the lungs, with full of oxygen. Then, by closing your right nostril with right thumb, release through left nostril. Always you will have to release through left nostril only in this particular pranayama. Initially, inhale, exhale through left nostril. As the perfection arises, means when you will be able to perform this particular pranayam perfectly, you can retain the air also. Retention of air means when we inhale, and retain means retention inside. That is called kumbhak, antah kumbhak. So, as suppose you take 10 seconds to inhale, try to initially retain the air inside for 10 seconds. As on practicing, you will be able to retain the air double of the time. Means 10 seconds if you inhale, 20 seconds you can retain. When you will be able to reach that position, then you can apply Jaladharband or Mulband. Bandhans also you can apply. But presently you forget about bandhans and retention even. Start inhaling, exhaling. But inhaling, as said, as shown, again I will repeat 3 times. Please observe and practice daily and be happy, be healthy. Right? If you practice this particular pranayama daily, 5 times, 10 times, or 20 times, according to your convenience as well as the requirement, definitely you will be benefited. हर हर महादेव शंभो शंकर. ओम नमः शिवाय. ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. If you feel well, and request you to like this video, share with your friends and family members and nearest and dearest ones, and subscribe my channel if you are interested to have future videos or updates. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.